boilerplate repositories and ready-made snapshots with login/register added as a start. Okay, the heading does not make a lot of sense, but what I'm trying to say here is most of the projects, suppose you are a React and Node.js development company, you develop on the maybe you developed on the MERN stack, mean stack, or so you have a ready-made stack which most of your projects are working on, right? Most of the projects will require you to have a login, a register, connection between the front end and the back end. This pages rarely change except for the client logo. And what I've seen is if you start from scratch, most projects will take you around a week to get um, started with itself. So you will create the server, you will create the registration APIs, you will create the login APIs, and you will create the front end for login, register. Till that stage, 1 week is gone, and 1 week of effort is worth for two developers an average salary of a developer being $1,000 a month. In India, maybe in your country, it's even more. So I guess you easily lose $500 in just setting up these small things every time you get a project, right? So $500 is based on my 1 week calculation. So $1,000 a month into two developers. That's a $2,000 a month, which comes to roughly $500 a week. So that's why the $500 thing. So $500 is wasted on this. What we do is we have set up a boilerplate code, a repository we have created, which is a boilerplate repository. For example, if the front end is React and the back end is Django, then we have already created a project which has no branding, but it has the registration APIs, token management, sign in, sign up, fields added, and the models created in the backend for these users thing. And for the front end, we have already created a login and a sign up screen, which is we can easily customize when we are starting for those. So this boilerplate code makes us one step ahead in starting the project, and we can easily start the project and start working on the core modules of the project, and not again put our brains into all this login and register thing. Maybe forgot password and all this stuff, right? So it really changes. You just have to change the logo and the color theme, and you are good to go. This is one method. The second method, which is even more scalable, is if you're using different development servers, then what you can do is you can even snapshot a whole Lightsail instance. So you can create a Lightsail development environment. You can clone that repo and you can just save it. In that sense, you will also save the Nginx configuration and all that. So you have a ready to start server for deploying. If you're using different projects, different servers for different clients, then this is even creating snapshots is a good option. But at least the boilerplate repository is a must, right? So $500 a month is what you are saving. So this is a 100% saving. So this goes to the savings is $500 a month, right? By aftermarket